Hi, I'm Dr. Anndrea Hatcher from Olive Branch Park Veterinary Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about the care of the pet rabbit. The size of the adult rabbit is dependent upon the breed and can be anywhere from 4 to 15 pounds. Rabbits live for 5 to 12 years. Their activity varies. They're defined as crepuscular, which means they're most active at dawn and dusk. The temperature range that rabbits should be kept at is 40 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Their cage should be 4 times as long as the stretched out body length of the rabbit. Do not house rabbits in aquariums or other solid-sided cages, as rabbits need good airflow to prevent respiratory infections. If you're using a wire mesh bottom cage, the openings should be small enough that the rabbit's feet can't get caught in them. Part of the bottom should be solid to protect the rabbit's feet. Rabbits can be litter trained, so you may want to use a litter box in the cage. You should provide a hiding area. So the equipment that you'll need for your pet rabbit is an appropriately sized cage, food dish, water bottle, a hide house, chew toys, food, Timothy hay, vegetables, and bedding such as straw, aspen, carefresh, but no pine or cedar, and a litter box. For food, use Timothy hay based pelleted rabbit food. And you want to have fresh Timothy hay that's always available. You can feed also vegetables such as collard, mustard, and dandelion greens, carrot tops, beet tops, broccoli tops, alfalfa sprouts and clover, herbs such as parsley, cilantro, and basil, cauliflower, green peppers, chicory, chard, watercress, celery leaves, endive, radicchio, bok choy, dock, spring greens, kale, and cabbage, and fresh water in a water bottle. Approximately 2 cups a day of fresh vegetables can be added to the rabbit's diet. Avoid high-fat or high-carbohydrate foods such as beans, peas, corn, bread, cereal, nuts, seeds, and chocolate. Do not feed iceberg lettuce or much fruit, as they can cause diarrhea. Rabbits have the unusual behavior of eating some of their own droppings called cecal pellets. This is normal and necessary for them to get all the nutrition that they need from their diet. Rabbits should be handled with care. They can kick hard enough to break their own backs. Support the back legs when holding a rabbit. Rabbits can start reproducing at 4 to 7 months of age, depending on the breed. The gestation period is 30 to 32 days, and the litter size is 4 to 12 bunnies, depending on the breed. They will open their eyes at 10 days of age. The female bunny will start breeding again immediately after having a litter. The female usually leaves the young when they are 24 days old. The rabbit's heat lasts 7 to 14 days and will happen over and over again until she becomes pregnant. Most of the time when people find wild baby bunnies, they think they have been abandoned because the mother bunny spends so little time in the nest with her babies. They have not actually been abandoned. The mother will only nurse the babies once a day for 3 to 5 minutes. The success rate of bottle feeding baby bunnies is very low. It's best just to leave them right where they are in their nest. Rabbits should be spayed or neutered around 6 months of age. This will decrease aggression, marking of territory, improve litter box use, decrease chewing activity, and decrease the risk of certain cancers. Rabbits are susceptible to blocked tear ducts, conjunctivitis, dental disease, gastric stasis, bloat, obstruction, diarrhea, respiratory disease such as Pasteurella, urinary tract stones, kidney disease, or normal porphyrin pigmented urine, sore hocks, rabbit syphilis, ringworm, parasites, myxomatosis, encephalozenosis, fractures of the spine especially, and cancer. Rabbits shouldn't be given the antibiotics clindamycin, lincomycin, ampicillin, amoxicillin clavulanic acid, cephalosporins, many penicillins, and erythromycin, because they may result in severe gastrointestinal diseases. Do not use fipronil or frontline on rabbits. When rabbits bite or scratch people, they could transfer Pasteurella matulsida into the wound. Young children, the elderly, and the immunosuppressed should be most careful in response to rabbit bites or scratches. Ringworm may also be spread between rabbits and humans. New rabbits should be examined by a veterinarian and have an intestinal parasite exam. They should have annual exams after that. Your pet rabbit should have daily exercise. For supervised playtime in the house, make sure electrical cords are out of reach. Plants that are toxic to rabbits include oleander and dumb cane. 2 or 3 neutered rabbits do well together, as rabbits are social animals. Rabbits and pet birds often get along well. Rabbits may carry Bordetella bronchoseptica, which causes disease in guinea pigs, cats, dogs, and pigs. Rabbits do well with UVB lighting. Good toys for rabbits include empty toilet paper or paper towel rolls, cardboard boxes with holes cut in them, treats hanging from the top of their cage, large PVC tube or dryer hose tunnels, telephone books to chew on, food hidden in paper cups, cardboard boxes or paper bags, and untreated baskets to hide in and destroy.